Some early settlements can be seen on the banks of river Narmada, areas of Suleiman and Kirthar hills, Garo hills in northeast, Vindhyas in central India, banks of river Indus, banks of river Gangas. So you can see location. Where is Suleiman and Kirthar hills? This is location of the Suleiman here hills. These are Suleiman hills in northwest India, Afghanistan and Pakistan border area of the today. Okay students, see Cresser, where Cresser is moving. These are Suleiman and Kirthar hills. Okay, now we should come on Garo hills. Garo hills, we should come in this direction, north east India. These are Garo hills. Dear students, these are Garo hills in Meghalaya, and northeast India we can find Garo hills. Now we should know about Vindhyas in central India. So these are Vindhyan range and Satpura range. Here in central India we can see Vindhyan range and Indus river. You know about location of Indus river and its tributaries. This one is Indus. These are different tributaries: Byas, Satluj, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. So this is drainage of Indus and its tributaries here in this Cresser. 5 rivers come in Punjab. Punjab is came to name on 5 rivers. Panch means 5, Ab means water. The area where 5 river water meets, that is Punjab. And Punjab was participated in 1947 in 2 parts. West Punjab is today in Pakistan and we are having East Punjab. So this is the Punjab area. In Punjab area, Indus and its tributaries flow. Satluj, Byas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. Okay students, so this is the Indus tributaries and its basin area. Dear students, banks of river Gangas. Ganga came from Gangotri glacier and moving in the northern plains of India, UP, Bihar, and in this way comes to Bay of Bengal. Ganga river drops its water in Bay of Bengal and Indus river carries its water in Arabian Sea. Ambala in Haryana is the water dividing. Here is Ambala. At the Cresser you can see Ambala. In the east, Ganga plains. In the west of Ambala, Indus plains. So Ambala is the water divide between Indus and Ganga river basin. That divides water of Ganga basin and Indus basin. In the west of Ambala, here is Ambala, west is here, we have the Indus basin, and this is Ambala. East we have in this area Ganga basin. So it is clear to you. Ganga basin, Yamuna basin, Suleiman hills, Garo hills, Vindhyas in central India. Okay students, in next slide.